How to turn on ghost mode on Snapchat in 2022. Ghost mode hides your location. So if you want to disable your location on Snapchat, here is how you do it. So first off, we want to click on our profile icon in the left corner right here. Then we want to select the cogwheel in the right corner. Just press on it. Here we want to slowly go down until we find this option, see my location under privacy control. If we press on it, as you can see, ghost mode is located here. Now mine is currently turned on, so if I press on it, it's going to ask me to enable my location. But if it is not turned on, it should not be turned on. You can just press on this little toggle and just activate it, and it's going to ask you if you want to activate it permanently or for 3 or 6 hours, something like that. So that is how you find ghost mode on Snapchat. I hope this video was useful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.